Fuge bellow forming machine has undergone multiple improvements, boasting distinctive features and stable functionality. The equipment is equipped with a fully automatic rotate and clamp function, enabling unmanned production. The equipment utilizes Siemens control systems and German BELLOW sensors and servo systems to ensure long-term operational stability and sustainable maintenance. Furthermore, it can automatically control the production of expnasion joints with different pitch and height, adapting to various complex waveforms. A single automatic bellow forming machine can be divided into multiple working positions, all of which can operate independently, meaning that one machine can simultaneously produce multiple bellows. The automatic bellows forming machine is suitable for producing bellows of various thicknesses and materials, such as multi-layer Inconel 600 and 800 series. After forming, the bellow requires simple re-rolling to achieve the required corrugation parameters. The re-rolling machine can automatically adjust the rolling time, rolling times, and rolling amount. The equipment also uses a Siemens display screen and PLC. Currently, our equipment, characterized by its stability, high efficiency, and cost reduction, is sold to hundreds of metal bellows manufacturers, both domestically and internationally. Welcome to Inquire.